Yes, welcome back to FM Show KE. Let's get to the political conversation that we all reserve on our YouTube channel. Now, I want us to speak about Kimani Ichugwah because he has turned out to be a subject of discussion when it comes to the politics of the Mount Kenya region and the deputy president. Now, I want to tell you the ambitions that Kimani Ichugwah has. We all have seen what has been done to the governor of Kiambu County, Kimani Wamatangi. Wamatangi is a man that is working for the interest of the normal mwananchi. But the cartel in government, led by the MPs in Kiambu County, have been trying so hard to prove that Wamatangi is doing nothing. Remember, even MP Kagombe went ahead to fire a bullet that killed a person in Kiganjo, Thika constituency, trying to prove a point that Wamatangi is trying to mislead Kenyans or trying to mislead the residents of Kiambu. This is what is happening. I will talk about Kimani Ichugwah and I will talk about Ndidi Nyoro. So we are going to have a candid conversation here in regards to the politics that are going on in the Mount Kenya region and also the future of the politics of Mount Kenya region come here 2027. I shall remind you that Kimani Wamatangi is serving his first term as the governor of Kiambu County. This is after serving his 2 terms as the senator of Kiambu and decided, you know what, it's about time I go for the biggest seat, and he went for it and won against the big names in Kiambu County, including the former governor William Kabogo, also the former deputy governor Nyoro, people like Moses Kuria, the current cabinet secretary, people like who else, Wainaina, Jango. Jango came number 2 in the elections that passed in the year 2022. Now I tell you that the people of Kiambu saw it in them to instill this man as the custodian of their properties and their well-being in Kiambu County. But this man, on his first year, let me say, his first few months in the government, he disagreed with everything that the regime of Kenya Kwanza government was up to, which was to defraud the normal citizens of their rights and to continue operating towards enriching themselves and not the people of this country. Now, Kimani Ichugwah, a dog that is currently barking in every corner of the Mount Kenya region, as at any moment implicated that Kimani Wamatangi is a man that is not working towards the development of the people of Kiambu, which is not true. If you sit down with any resident of Kiambu County today and ask them on what Kimani Wamatangi is doing or whether he has delivered to his promises, you will hear them saying that Kimani Wamatangi is the best candidate that they ever chose in the Mount Kenya region. You will hear them tell you that Kimani Wamatangi is the only vote that they casted with their brains and not with them being misled by the Hustler Nation narrative. Are you getting me? But Kimani Ichugwah, the MP of Kikuyu, forgot that his constituents are suffering and took it upon himself to continue fighting Kimani Wamatangi because he has the ambitions of vying for the gubernatorial seat of Kiambu County come the year 2027, which I am seeing Kimani Ichugwah with not even a 5% possibility of him becoming the next governor of Kiambu County. That we must agree. This man has ruined his reputations among the people of Mount Kenya region because nobody, and I mean nobody, who is a citizen with brains and is not benefiting from Kimani Ichugwah is for him to become the next governor of Kiambu County, because a man mwenye anakaa akilambalamba mtu matako kila time, akilamba haga kila time, when will he get the time to work as a governor if he does not have the time to work as an MP? A question I'm asking. His role and his main agenda in the current government and in the current politics is for is attacking the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua. He has taken it upon himself to attack Rigathi Gachagua. Now this proves to you that this man does not have the support of the people of Kiambu County to run the government. Or do you think that Kimani Ichugwah has a chance of running against Kimani Wamatangi and him becoming the next governor of Kiambu County? I want to hear your comments also. Remember, this guy is on his second term as the MP of Kikuyu, and he is the current leader of majority in parliament. So tell me, do you think he has it in him to become the next governor of Kiambu County? Has he delivered in Kikuyu? But if you look at Kimani Wamatangi, he is a man on a mission to deliver to the people of Kiambu County. No matter the battles that he is being fought by the current regime of President William Ruto, he has made it his work to deliver to the people of Kiambu County. We have seen that. It's not something that we are speaking out of the blues. We have seen that. I myself am a resident of Kiambu and I have seen it. Kimani Wamatangi is a man that is on a mission to deliver to the people of Kiambu County, which is contradictory to what Kimani Ichugwah is doing to the people of Kikuyu. So if he can't deliver in Kikuyu, how will he deliver to the whole Kiambu County, which is among the biggest counties that we have in Kenya and one of the biggest backbones to the Kenyan economy? Putting that aside, the Kimani Ichugwah conversation is a dead one right now because the man does not have the support of the people to become the next governor of Kiambu County. And remember, Kimani Wamatangi has just started his first term as the governor of Kiambu County. So he has a lot to deliver and a lot to prove to the people of Kiambu County that he can run the government, that he can run the county. So we, as the people of Kiambu County, another woman that is currently seeking the seat of Kimani Wamatangi is Gathoni Wamuchomba. But Gathoni Wamuchomba is running on propaganda politics, which is good for her to build her name, not to run for Kiambu County gubernatorial seat for the first time. No, she can't run for it right now. She will continue being she can continue running for Githunguri member of parliament seat for the second term, but not for the Kiambu gubernatorial seat. After Kimani Wamatangi is done with his 2 terms as the governor of Kiambu County, then Gathoni Wamuchomba has a chance to run to become the next governor of Kiambu County. Yes, and a man that is currently so quiet, we don't know what his plan is your senator. Also, Senator Karugo Adhangwa is out there supporting anything that comes out of the mouth of President William Ruto. Karugo Adhangwa can never do anything else than kuramba Ruto. That is something that you have to agree with me without beyond reasonable doubts. Now, let's deviate from the politics of Kiambu County and head to Murang'a County for a minute. Let's go to Murang'a County. Murang'a County, the governor is Irungu Kangata. Irungu Kangata is the current governor of Kiambu, of Murang'a County, and he is on his first term as the governor of Kiambu, of Murang'a County. What is the future of Ndidi Nyoro in the politics of Murang'a County? We have seen that the battle lines have started being drawn for Ndidi Nyoro against Governor Irungu Kangata. Irungu Kangata has been so quiet. When it comes to the politics of the mountain, he has been so quiet. Because this man is a strategist. Irungu Kangata is a strategist when it comes to politics. He sees things unfolding from afar. But you know what? People like Ndidi Nyoro right now have nothing to lose. They have nothing to lose. They have time to back on every political arena they get, on every political platform they get. They have eating them to back so that they can build a portfolio that portrays them as the better candidate come the year 2027 for the gubernatorial seat. Ndidi Nyoro will be seeking the seat of the governor of Murang'a County come the year 2027. Is there a possibility of Ndidi Nyoro getting that chance? He has delivered in Kiharu. That we cannot take it from him. He has been a good MP and a good member of parliament that has delivered to his people in Kiharu. But is he ready to run the whole Murang'a County government as their governor? Is he ready? Now, I will not also take that away from him. He has a possibility. But Ruto made a promise to Irungu Kangata that, you know what? You have supported me, you have been with me, run for your first term, rule for your first term, and the second term also we shall give it to you. Now Irungu Kangata is on his first term. Will he be kicked out for just after working his first term? No, I don't think so, because the people of Murang'a County seems to be supporting Irungu Kangata so much, and they love him. He has delivered to them in whatever basis he has done. Remember, while he was a senator, he also did that. He was a man that has always been on a mission, him writing letters to President Uhuru Kenyatta. Right now, all we can say is that the decision of Murang'a County residents hangs on the balance. We don't know who is who or who has the better chances, but who owns the seat has the better chances for him retaining it than somebody that is a newcomer when it comes to the game of gubernatorial seat, and that is Honorable Ndidi Nyoro. Politics are continuing to become a matter and a subject of discussion in the Mount Kenya region because battle lines are being drawn. Ndidi Nyoro is supporting Gachagua. Irungu Kangata, Ndidi Nyoro is supporting President William Ruto. Sorry for that. That man can never support Gachagua at any moment because him and Gachagua are the biggest rivals in the Mount Kenya region. Now, Ndidi Nyoro can never support Gachagua. Irungu Kangata is supporting Gachagua because he knows Ndidi Nyoro has the support of the president, and the people of Mount Kenya right now do not support any agenda that comes from President William Ruto's mouth. What is your take? Leave your comment on the comment section. This is FM Show Political Discussion. Make sure umeachia comment yako hapo, tuungane katika video zetu zijazo. Mimi ni FK Mwenda.